In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a default email subject in a DocuSign template. To get started, open the DocuSign website and sign into your account. Once you're in, head to the Templates area. This is where you can manage reusable templates and control settings that will carry over whenever you use them. Next, find the template you want to work with, specifically the one where you want a default email subject to be included. When you've found it, open the Templates Actions menu and choose Edit. This will take you into the template settings, where you can adjust the message details that recipients will see. From there, look for the email message section, or in some accounts, the add message section. Inside that area, find the email subject field. This is the field that controls the subject line recipients will receive when the template is used. Now enter the subject you want recipients to see. Keep it clear and relevant so the email is easy to recognize in their inbox. If your DocuSign account shows an arrow next to the subject field, you may also be able to insert recipient merge fields. That means you can automatically include recipient information, such as a recipient's name or email address, directly in the subject line. This can make the message feel more personalized and can also help with organization. After entering the subject, take a moment to review it carefully. Make sure everything is correct, spelled properly, and formatted the way you want. Since this subject will become the default for the template, it's worth double checking before saving. Once everything looks good, select Save and Close to save the template. Then, return to the Templates page. To confirm how it works in practice, select Use on that same template to create a new envelope. When the new envelope opens, review the email subject field again. You should see the subject you configured in the template already filled in as the default. If needed, you can still make changes for that specific envelope before sending. This is helpful when the template stays the same, but the subject needs a small adjustment for a particular transaction. When you're ready, select Send. From this point on, DocuSign will use the subject configured in the template as the default subject whenever that template is used. That's the standard way to create a reusable default subject in DocuSign. For regular envelopes that are not created from a template, you can still edit the email subject before sending, but there is not a single general account level default subject for standard eSignature envelopes. Thanks for watching.